Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get verified on Instagram. That is how you can fill the Instagram verification form. It's very easy and it's very simple, so let's get into it. So first step is open your Instagram account. Open your Instagram and go into your profile. Now right here, this is the profile of the new account I just created for this video. So you're gonna have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and now you're gonna see a bunch of options right here. So just click on settings and click on accounts. Scroll down, you're gonna see request verification. You're gonna have to click on that. And right here, this is the verification form. At the top of your screen, you can read the info. You can read the info. So the first step you're gonna have to do is your username. This is your username, as you can see. First step is confirm authenticity. So you're gonna input your full name right here. You're gonna input your full name. That is make sure your full name is your real name, and make sure your full name is on your Instagram account, so that they can confirm your name on your account. And also you're gonna have to submit your ID, because your name is gonna appear on your ID. So make sure your name is your real name and your name is on your Instagram account. So right here you're gonna have to input your full name. Now right here you're gonna have to select the kind of document you're gonna need to you're gonna use to apply for the verification. Maybe your driver's license or your passport or your ID card. So you're gonna have to select one of these and click on the choose file. And when you select any of this, maybe your driver's license, so you're gonna have to click on choose file and make sure you're already taking a picture of maybe your driver's license or your passport, so you can upload that file to Instagram, and that's what you're gonna submit for your verification. So the second step right here is you're gonna have to select a category of your account. Let's click on that. So if you're into music, or if you're into fashion, or entertainment, or you're an influencer, so you're gonna have to click any of this. Just select any of that depending on what you do. So click on country or region and select your country. Now you can also select your audience. As you can see the info. Just read the info. Describe the people who follow your account. So it's just the kind of people that follow your account. So if you're an artist, so you can describe the kind of people that follow your account. That option is optional, so you can fill that and you can decide to not fill that. So, and also at the bottom you can see also known as optional. That's other name that your business is known as. Maybe if you're an influencer, if you get some other name for your business, you can input that also. So now let's take a look at the links section. So right here, the link section is where you can paste like your Facebook link or your TikTok link and stuff like that. So if you have a TikTok, for example, if you have a TikTok account and you're a digital creator or you are an influencer, so right here you're gonna have to paste your link. So when you submit the verification form for Instagram, they can also view your links and confirm that, oh, this person is real, so that they can confirm on TikTok and Facebook and wherever else you want them to confirm, and they can see what you do if you're a musician or whatever you do, so they can also see your profiles on other social media and what you do, and they can confirm all that. So you can input as many links as you want. So if you input 3 links and you want to input more links, you can just click on add link at the bottom of your screen. Click on that and you can input as many links as you want. So Now the last option you're gonna have to do is click on submit. So when you input your full name and you choose document type and you choose file, that's the picture of your document type, maybe your driver's license or your passport, and you scroll down, you choose your category, what you do on Instagram, your country, you do that, you scroll down, you input your links, maybe your TikTok, Facebook, wherever else you use, maybe social network, just input those links and click on submit. That's all you gotta do. That's how you can fill the verification form for Instagram. So thanks for watching. Make sure you click on the notification button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.